Are you looking for ways to improve your overall well-being and increase your happiness? Look no further. This comprehensive guide explores 100 practical strategies and tips to help you cultivate a happier and more fulfilled life. From practicing gratitude and self-care to learning to let go of negative emotions and surrounding yourself with positive people, this ebook provides a wealth of information and guidance to help you on your journey towards happiness. Whether you are looking to improve your relationships, boost your self-esteem, or simply learn to appreciate the beauty in life, this ebook is for you. With a focus on personal responsibility and self-improvement, this guide is designed to empower you to take control of your own happiness and create a life that is truly fulfilling. Don't wait any longer. Start your journey towards happiness today. For more, download Unlocking the Secrets to Happiness: 100 Ways to Cultivate Happiness, a comprehensive guide to achieving contentment and fulfillment. Ebook link in description.